Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can uninstall programs from Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. There are two ways by which you can uninstall programs on Windows 11. So let me show you the process. For that, simply click on Start button, then click on Settings. Here click on Apps, and here click on Apps and Features. And here you will find all the apps or programs which are installed on your Windows 11 computer. Now search for the application or program, or you can simply use this search bar to search for the application. Say for example, I want to install VLC Media Player. Simply search for VLC Media Player. Here you will find the VLC Media Player application or program. Simply click on this three dot. Here you will find Uninstall option. Simply click on Uninstall. And here click on Uninstall. This will uninstall your program on Windows 11. There is another way by which you can uninstall programs. For that, you can simply click on the search icon and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Here click on Uninstall a program, and here you will find all the programs which are installed on your Windows 11. Let me tell you, here you will not find the applications or the programs which are installed from Microsoft Store. For that, you have to follow the first step. Here you will find all the applications which you had downloaded from their official website. To uninstall programs, simply select that program, right click on it, and here you will find Uninstall option. Click Uninstall and it will get uninstalled on your Windows 11 computer. This way you can uninstall any programs which are installed on your Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.